Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will continue with the properties of rational number. Basically, we could not upload the complete video last time due to some technical reason. So now this is the remaining part of the properties of rational number. We discussed about the commutative property in the previous video. Now we will continue with the associative and the distributive property. Okay. Now you can see on the board I have already written over there that associative property with respect to addition and with respect to multiplication. I am taking a question from D2 updated exercise 1A, question number 9 part A, and we will apply both addition and multiplication on the given values. For example, the question is like 1 by 2. I'm just writing the question over here. That is 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 and 5 by 3. This is the question. This is in the box. Okay. Now the first value is A, second is B, and third is C. So let's start with the addition. We are replacing the numbers with the alphabets, like 1 by 2 is A, 3 by 4 is B, and 5 by 3 is C. Okay, first we will solve with the left hand side. Now, as we know that whenever we are adding or subtracting the fractions, we need to convert into the same denominator. So we can see that 4 and 3. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we will multiply this value with 3 and this with 4. Now we have 1 by 2 plus 9 by 12 plus 20 over 12. Now we have same denominator, so we can easily add the numerators. This is 1 by 2 plus 29 over 12. Now again we can see there that 2 and 12. The LCM of 2 and 12 is again 12. So we will multiply it with 6. Now this has become 6 by 12 plus 29 over 12. Now if we further add them, then we will get 35 over 12. This is the answer. Okay, so this is the first answer. Now we will solve the right hand side and we will check that whether we are verifying the equation or not. Now come to the right hand side. Again we are replacing, this time this is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 and plus 5 by 3. Now you can see over here again, as we follow the board math rule, that first we need to solve the bracket. So we will move step by step. Now the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we will multiply this equation with 2 and we will get 2 over 4 plus 3 by 4, and we have 5 by 3 outside the bracket. Now denominators are same, so we will add the numerator. This is 5 over 4 plus 5 over 3. Now again we have already discussed that the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So this is 12. We are multiplying this with 3 and we will multiply this 4. Now this is 15 over 12 plus 20 over 12. Now we add them in the final, so we will get 35 over 12. Now if you can observe this one, you can see that both the answers are same. So hence it is proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is how we apply the property of rational number, that is a associative property with respect to addition when the given values are need to be solved. Now we come to the method of multiplication. How to solve this one? Again we will replace the number. This is 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 4 multiply 5 over 3. Now the important thing which I want to remind you, that when we have a fractions with the multiplication sign, we do the cross cancellation. We do not convert them into the same denominator. Please keep in mind that thing, because most of the students make the same mistake, that they convert the, even in a multiplication, they convert them into the mixed number. Now see over here, this basically we can cancel any numerator with any denominator. So we will cancel this 3 with the 3, So this is 1 by 2 multiply 5 over 4. Now we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator when two fractions are multiplying. So this is 5 by 8. This is the answer. Okay. Again, if we are coming to the right hand side, now this is 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 4 and we have 5 by 3 outside the bracket. Now, if we can see that there is no cancellation within the bracket because in the numerator we have 1 and 3, in the denominator we have 2 and 4. So, no numerator is cancelling any denominator. So, we will simply multiply them and we will get 3 over 8 multiply 5 over 3. Now, you can see again that we have a 3 in both the numerators and the denominators. So, we will cancel 3 with the 3 and we will get 5 over 8. Now you can see again it is proved that both sides are giving us the same answer. Okay, this is how we apply the associative property with respect to addition and multiplication. Now we will apply one of the question for the distributive property. Okay. Now we will remove this one and we will solve one of the questions for distributive property. Now I am referring to the question number 10 part A. Exercise 1 is same exercise. Question number 10 part A. Now it is written over there that apply the distributive property of multiplication over addition on a given values. Now you can see I am going to write the question. This is part A. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay. Now the question is 2 by 3 multiply 6 over 7 plus 9 over 10. Now the question is given like this. As we know the property, what is the property? A multiply B plus C is equal to A multiply B plus A multiply C. Now I will convert this property with the numbers. Okay. Now again, this is 2 by 3 multiply 6 over 7 plus 9 over 10 is equal to, now the right hand side is 2 by 3 multiply 6 over 7 plus 2 by 3 multiply 9 over 10. Now we have converted them into the numbers. Now we will solve them. We multiply this with the 10 and this one with the 7. So this is 60 over 70 and this is 63 over 70. If you can see this one. Now 2 by 3 multiply, this is 123 over 70. Now what you can do, you can directly multiply or you can cancel them. 2 ones are 2 and 2 35. 3 ones are 3 and this is 341. Okay. Now what we have final answer, that is 41 over 35. This is our final answer for the left hand side. Now we will do the right hand side. If you can see that we can do the cancellation. 3 ones are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Okay. First we will solve the bracket. We have a multiplication inside the bracket, so we will do the cancellation. So we get 4 over 7 plus, again if you observe this value, this is 3 ones are 3 and 3 3s are 9, 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. So what we will get, that is 3 over 5. Now what will we do, that we will convert them into the same denominator as we do in the addition of fractions. This is 20 over 35 plus 21 over 35. So finally we add them and we get 41 over Okay, so students, you have seen that how we apply the associative and distributive property when the values are given. I hope this video will be beneficial for you for your studies. So if you feel any confusion while having a practice at home, please share your concern in the comment box. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.